Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use phone delete sound setting. Friends, you want to on and friends you want to use guys your phone delete sound setting. So when how to on and use delete sound today friends I am going to show you in this video what is delete sound and how to use. So first of all guys we will on delete sound and how to on. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends you can see this type of interface. Sound and vibration setting friends, we will on it. After on your phone sound and vibration friends you can see this type of interface. So friends again scroll more sound and haptic setting, tap here. After on more sound and haptic friends you can see dial pad, screen lock sound, screenshot sound and delete sound setting. So first we will on. After on guys I will take guys some screenshot and then we will delete. And guys now open guys your phone gallery and photos. So I will on my phone gallery and photos. So once you can see guys your phone photos example. So we will select photo. Hence when you will delete this photo. So we delete sound you can see. So we call it delete sound, and you can delete sound use like that on your oppo phone device guys. And friends when you will off your phone delete sound setting, so you can off guys direct here guys search again delete setting. As you can see delete setting and deletion sound, tap here. Direct and tap here. After offense you can delete photos without any sound. As you can see we don't have any sound when we will delete photo. So like that guys we can use guys the delete sound setting on oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys. So I hope friends you understood how to on and use delete sound on oppo phone. So bye guys, when do you have any doubt related to guys your phone sound and version you can ask me comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.